Hi, my name is Peter Hoffman, and I would like to take the opportunity today to speak a little about our newest product, NotesToPaper Easy. NotesToPaper Easy is an ad hoc reporting tool for Lotus Notes that allows you or your end users to very simply, very easily, and very quickly to extract data from your note system and to work with it in different other formats. To print it, but also to export it to other data formats. I'm going to speak a little about the basics of the product. I'm going to show you how to work NotesToPaper Easy. I will show you some of the applications that there may be for the product. And I'm going to, of course, speak a little about the individualization of the output that you can create by the help of NotesToPaper Easy. First thing I do, I will switch to my Notes client. How do your end users get NotesToPaper Easy on their systems? It's a very simple installation process, a standard installation routine. All you have to do is run through that installation routine and you will receive an option in your Notes action menu, NotesToPaper Easy, as you can see here. All I now really have to do is select the data I want to work with. Go into the action menu, execute NotesToPaper Easy. I get a printer selection dialog because of course I can select which printer I want to print things on, and I get my preview. This is really what you see is what you get, the preview. I can scale in here however I want to actually take a look at my data. I have a presentation mode if I want to look at everything exactly the way it's going to end up on my printer. And if I have more than one page, I could flip through the pages, I could select the printers, all the things that you would expect from a printing tool. Going back, leaving the preview, I also have the option to export the data that I have here. Hit the same button, and instead of just printing to the preview, you see I have all different file formats that I can choose from, be it the Microsoft Excel format, the rich text format, or in this case, I'm just going to create a PDF document. I will start my printing. I tell it to open the associated application, which in this case is going to be the Adobe Acrobat. Create my report, and there you see I have a PDF document, which is now visualized in the Adobe Acrobat. Very simply, very easily, very quickly. To look at a couple of other applications of the product, what you now saw here is a very basic list. Of course, I can also go to categorized views. If I open up my view, you see the categories that are in the view. I can take this information and very simply move that into a NotesToPaper Easy report also. And here you see that now I also have more than one page because I have taken the entire data that is in my view. I can do other things, creating labels, for instance. Every year, at the end of the year, almost every company in the world has the same problem. You want to send out your Christmas cards. Well, you now have a very simple way of actually creating the address labels you need. In this case, I just select a little bit of the data that I have here to show you the basic principle, and I have my labels. I have standard label formats that I can work with from all the big label making companies. I just need to select the format that I actually want to work with, the format I actually want to print to, and I can very simply adapt this report that you see here. Simplicity really is the most important part about NotesToPaper Easy, and we have made it just as simple to edit the report layouts as it is to actually create the report output. You see I have a report management option in my user console. I just select the report. In this case there is only one label report, so I just select that. Say I want to edit the layout, and here you now can see the very basic report layout that I have here to create my labels. This is what it looks like technically, but I have the layout previews that actually tell me exactly what is going to end up on my labels. If I want to go and change any of the input I have here, I can basically work on anything that I want to work on. I can change anything that I want to change. For instance, I can change my fonts, I can change my font sizes, colors. I can work with everything that you will actually see on your screen, and I can change everything that you will actually see on your screen in a point and click and point and drop interface. Very easily, very simply. Last but not least, something else I would like to show you. We do not only have the option of giving you text output out of your Lotus Notes data, but we also have the option of visualizing that Lotus Notes data. We have a view in here that, if we open it, contains a lot of figures, because of course if I want to create charts, if I want to create visualized information, it's necessary to have numbers as a basis of that. In my Notes to Paper Easy menu option, print, and you see very quickly I have created charts. I have different chart types that I can use to visualize anything that I have in my notes databases. That could be pie charts, as in this case, line charts, bar charts. There's all different types that you can work with. And of course, all the options, what I want to visualize, how I want it displayed, everything is very, very flexible. That really was a very quick, very fast, and very basic overview of what Notes to Paper Easy can do for you. What I would suggest you do is just download the demo version, which of course is free of charge. You will find it at www.softvision.de and play with it, see if it can do everything that we have shown you today. And if you have any questions, just send us an email. We'll be happy to help. We'll be happy to answer them. Just have fun evaluating the product, and we'd be very happy to count you to our customers. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.